Hello guys, good morning. In today's lesson we are creating underwater scene. We will create fishes, sea, shells. We will use so many different materials, papers, so you can adjust the project, use basically whatever you have. I have some glitter, some shells, stars. I have shells here, real shells. I find them on the beach. I will use really small ones. Let me see. I already find 3 of them, very beautiful. Because we are working on paper, we are not able to use big ones. So we will use just small shells, or maybe even like this big one, but thin, very thin. It's easy to stick it on paper. I will use glue gun. If you don't have glue gun, use what you have, like school glue. There is little bit of sand in them. No matter how many times I wash them, still sand is somewhere stuck inside. Now let's start. First thing, we need one paper for the background. That's this paper. What's the difference here? We have two paper. This is thick and thin paper. On thin A4 printing paper, we can draw fishes, and on thick one, we will work our project. It's hard because we are working with water. For that reason, it's important to have thick paper. Then later we will use some different colored paper. If you don't have different colors, then just paint on the top or paint on other paper and just stick it here on the top, so we have that effect of collage. Also, I will keep them on side. Also, we need watercolors, little bit of water and paintbrush. Then for the details, we can use other colored paper and feathers, whatever you have as decoration. It will be great for this project. So first thing what we will do, we will create some waves around, effect of water. I will put some water on my paintbrush, and I will start with light blue. I will use two different shades of blue. And what to do here, let me just move so you can see it. Okay, now you can see complete paper. What to do, basically this. Now start from the opposite side, same thing, just I need more water, and I will use many different shades of blue which I have in my watercolor palette. And this is what you will just repeat all over through paper. Even dark blue. Now I'm starting always from one side because I want to get that effect of lighting. This side will be dark, this one will be light. You can even repeat process in some lines from left side if you want to make them really dark and get that effect of fading on the right side. Now this is enough, this part down. We will stick papers, but let me just do few more lines like this with dark blue, and we get that beautiful wave effect. Now we will move watercolors, we don't need them anymore. What we need first, maybe first dark, then light paper. It's a little bit bigger than our project. And now what to do here, don't cut it. I mean, don't use scissors. We are basically ripping off paper. Why are we doing this? Because we want to get that natural effect. It's much better. Look at this. I love this natural look. We can cut out this part, but I will do it when I put glue, and this another one will be under, so it should be a little bit bigger. Same thing, we are ripping off paper like this, and then it will be this way. Maybe I can move it a little bit down so I will have more space. Let me see here when I put them together. I just want to see space where to put this light yellow. Maybe even to move them a little bit down so we have more space to add everything. Okay, now I will just draw one small, really small lines so I know where to put this yellow paper. Now take glue. For this part I will use school glue and put a lot of glue on the background. Then I have some paint. Where is the line? Okay, this will be perfect. Let me just do another side. Yes, that's it. It doesn't have to go here until the end. That's less important. Now this another paper, it can go even a little bit down. So I'll just put glue here on the top of this paper, which I have here. So we will make like bigger surface than A4 paper. And now in this part we can cut a little bit here. And what we get on the back side, you can see 2 layers, but it's not important because we want to make it a little bit bigger to have more space. I will just use small scissors. I will close this glue, I don't need it anymore. For the beginning, let me see, I have some shiny paper. It's not green, it's blue, but never mind, I think this will be really nice. Now I'm making just stripes, maybe even 2-3 more, really thin, and cut them out like that. Also, where is green? Okay, here I have some green paper, and also this shiny paper. You can use any paper you have. If you have shiny paper, glittery, use it. And now just cut it at the end. I will put it back because I don't need it. Now on this part down, I will take more of this glue. What we will do, take some glue on the top and place it around. I just want to finish this part down first. Now I will mix them because I have 2 colors. This will be like sea grass. I want blue. One more blue and maybe one more in middle. Yes. Like this. And with these shiny papers we will get really beautiful effect. And also maybe we don't have to put glue everywhere, just on the bottom, because we are creating 3D effect. And one maybe here. Now one can go from here I have one more, I can stick it there. Now when we are done with this part, we can add this grass in the background. Shape, it's something like this for the grass in the background. But what we can do, you can put more papers down in different colors and cut it in the same time. I will not do it because I want to make different shapes and different size. But this is just idea for you if you want to make it easier, and definitely it will be faster to do it this way. I'm actually trying to make this really fast because this video will be a little bit longer because we have so many details, right? And there is one. We can put it somewhere on the top and or even here. Why not? Maybe I can use glue gun for this part. I will just use here, maybe a little bit, just small amount on sides. I'm using a glue gun because this is a little bit thicker paper. Just carefully, like this. And we'll remove this paper from here. Now use different colors. I have some green here, yellow, sorry, I was looking here. Now let me just put it here so you can see drawing. This one will be a little bit bigger, like this. And you don't have to follow exactly line which you draw. Cut just like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, right? And this is interesting project because here we have technique called mixed media in art. And why are we calling it mixed media? Because we are using so many different things for this art project. In some projects we are just drawing, we are just painting. Here we are drawing, we are cutting, we are using collage, we are painting, we are doing all things in the same time. And we are adding different things, different details. We will use shells, we are using glittery paper, we are using different ways. Cutting, ripping a paper is one of forms. I will use here, because this is thin paper, I will use glue. I mean this school glue, not glue gun. And I will put it under here. From this yellow I can create also sea star, but I will use Sharpie. Let me just find it. Yes, here. I'm using black Sharpie because I like to leave outlines. It's definitely expired. Never mind, it will work. Now let's cut it. Everything looks better with outlines. What does it mean? That we are leaving black lines around when we are cutting. And also for things inside, if you like to add outlines, do it. Sea star, we can put it somewhere here or here. maybe even better down because it's more visible. Like this. Let me just see where is another Sharpie, maybe it's a little bit better. Here is one which I already used, and I don't know. I really don't know, but I have silver, so I can create some lines here around. It's beautiful to get that watery effect like this. You can also draw some grass here around like this. Why not? And also with black I can try to do some outlines. Not everywhere, just in some parts, so it's visible. I think the problem is here because I used watercolors and it's hard then to draw on the top. Now, next step, we will just make one more example, but let me see which color will be beautiful. Maybe orange. Yes, I have orange here. I will cut it immediately without drawing because I know the shape. Oops. And that's it. I'm just trying to be a little bit faster because this project takes time, as you can see. Now this one can be here because I want to leave more space around to add fishes, seahorse, shells. But first, before we add shells, we are done with these grass and things. Now I want I have different shades and colors, but I want to use just green and blue, like this, maybe even one white. Let me see. Yes, maybe one more blue, but bigger one. Okay. My battery. Let me just put phone on charger. Okay. Now I will move feathers because we don't need them anymore. And with glue gun, I will put a little bit of glue here and stick it down. You can press a little bit with scissors if you are using glue gun, because this glue can hurt you. It's really hot. So okay, I will put this one here and also press with scissors. I can put another white here on the top. Oops. Another one, I will put it here. And green one here. So we have well arranged space around, and we will have really beautiful art project. Now, before we start with fishes, let's add some shells. I have so many beautiful shells and I will put them around everywhere. Here is one. This is beautiful. More glue, so we are sure that it will not move. This is cute. I'm glad that I collect these shells so we can use them in our beautiful projects. Even this one is beautiful. I just need to put glue like this, so because this one is big. Oops, I broke it a little bit, but I think it's fine. It will be fine. Another one, really small. I will place it somewhere here. I will just use more glue. And this one, look at this, it's so cute. This one can go here. Then this one. Maybe this one here. What's this? This is small stone. This is beautiful. Where maybe here. This is also shell stone. I'm not really sure. And I have these. They are bigger, but I don't know. Are we able to stick them? I will try, because I want to make really nice art project. And this one, look at this, guys, so beautiful. But I will use this, it's flat. Okay, this will be fine. Also this one, but I want to rotate this nice side. I will put it here. Big one, can we fit it? What do you think? Maybe here somewhere on beginning, or maybe even here. It will be like on the top. And it's already really nice. Now if you want to add a little bit of glitter of these, let me show you, because it's mixed media. Why is this important? It's important in this project to use many different things, so I will put them just to show you how it looks like when we are using so many different things. This is like small flower. I will move this one somewhere here so I can put star also here. One small flower. What else we have here? Some circle can go even here. Another one can go on top, even on top of this grass. One more here, and I think that will be enough. We have so many different things. And now, very beautiful part, we'll create fishes. I'm not gonna create a lot because there is so many things around. It's already a lot. I will move it for now. Let's create fishes. And what's the first thing? I have a lot of glue around. First thing is drawing, but I'm thinking now, because of the Sharpie, let me take markers. Maybe I can use this marker here just to draw fishes, and this way. one. Now seahorse. They are really, really cute. And we have spiral here. Small wing, some cute hairstyle, eye, and some dots around. Then what we have different types of fishes. Draw any types you want. Here, this one have big eye and lines, and then color it with different colors. Then also you can draw shells. If you don't have shells, you can draw them and then stick them. I will just make one more fish like this. It can be on from opposite side. It will be small. And then we will just color it, decorate it. When we are done with drawing, color it. Can use also this marker here. I don't know, can you see it, guys? Now coloring. Choose colorful, make it colorful. Choose different colors. This part can be orange. Some of them they can be in one color, some of them more colors. Choose some interesting colors. For example, this pink. It's really cute. And also for coloring, you can choose whatever you want. It can be watercolors, markers, pencil colors. Now, for example, this one can be green and yellow. Half green. And here this part can go a little bit green. Then we will add some yellow. Here some dots. Then, for example, this part can go blue with some lines like this on the top. Then we will add yellow. Here I can also color some parts. Now I will choose this bright fluorescent yellow, so our fishes will stand out and they will be really beautiful. They are already so cute. What else? Maybe some orange for this small one, and this another fluorescent. And we can add dots if you want. I think these bright colors are really nice. And now I will cut them out. I will close the video because I want to make video a little bit shorter. So when I'm done with cutting, I will cut them like this. I will leave outlines. You can see how I'm cutting. And I will leave outlines here so they will look more beautiful. Like this. And when I finish with cutting, we will continue. And now when we are done with cutting, I'll just remove this paper. We will take our paper and stick them around. They're so cute. A little bit for tail. You can use also school glue. Maybe it's even better. Seahorse can be here. This bigger fish can go in this part. Then small one can be even somewhere here. She's playing around. And this one maybe here because we have more space there. Or maybe like this. And that's it, guys. I really love this project so much. I know it's a little bit longer, but I'm sure it's worth it. We have so many things. You look at these shells, they are sticked really well because we used glue gun. They are really nice, and we have feathers. So beautiful. Hope so that you enjoyed. I really did, and I really cannot wait for this project. I'm really excited to see how you will make it. That's it for today. See you in next video. Bye bye.